I saw the city passing by my window.
Hi everyone, so today I wanted to come back and do a little cleaning motivation with you. I haven't done one of these in quite a while, so come join me as I tidy up our little Miami apartment here. I hope you guys are doing well. We are here for the home stretch of the rest of the year, so rock out with me as I tidy up and we make this apartment become a home as the short time we will be here. Some of you guys may know we are just in this apartment as we transition into becoming homeowners at some point in the future, but right now we are here in this apartment. So yes, we will keep you updated on the house hunts process. I know some of you guys are curious about it, so I thought I'll just go ahead and let you know it is still in the foresight, but right now we just, you know, getting acclimated to this Miami living. So what I'm doing right now is just doing a little bit of organizing of his camera equipment and wiping down this little desk area here, moving things around, you know, just tidying and cleaning up. Huh? Don't we all love the dust bunnies? So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And what you do see me in is my gym attire. We just came back from the gym, and under my shirt you may see it bulging out. I have a waist trainer on, so don't mind it. I'm just, you know, just keeping compression on the lipo and all of that good stuff. I'll give you guys an update at some point whenever it comes about more results. But yeah, it never fails. Mr. always have to come make his appearance in all of my cleaning videos, so don't mind him. I only found this one silver plate from Home Goods. It was about $7.99. I wish I could have located more. I do have these same ones from Wayfair. They're like a bone white creamy color. Yeah, they came from Wayfair. You get a pack of 4, but this particular silver one, it came from Home Goods. And I'm just going to use it as like a little styling charger for my little fish bowl and put these little plants. Okay, so all of this greenery is from all of the roses I've had lately, and they're still living. So I don't have any fresh flowers at the moment, and this will do from all my roses. I got this cute bottle. I just wanted to put it back out here because I just think it's so grand. And the candle. Oh, everything is nice and clean in here. I have to figure out where I'm gonna stow the dog stuff, but I'm gonna leave it there for now. There's the dog bed. I'm gonna put it back out so they can lay on it, and they are under there.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much. No, I don't.
Okay. Hey, so I noticed as I was editing the cleaning portion of this that so much has changed since that part I recorded. So we have a ton of new plant family members. I even switched some out, moved some around. So I just wanted to go through quickly and just give you an overview of our new home. The fiddle leaf is still there. It just has a new base now. I found this little marble table from Marshall's for like 20 bucks. So I converted it into a plant stand. and I moved the stand that it was originally on. Okay, so here goes this cutie. This pot I got from Home Goods, and it's super cute, and this base actually did not go with the pot, so you'll see I've done that a lot with my pots and things, but this plant is so cute. I believe Home Depot. Ooh, I believe so. I'm not sure. And then this is one of my favorites and one of the newest. It's called a zebra plant. We got this from like a family nursery. Super cute, and look at the leaves. They're like velvety somewhat. And then this cute pot that I have it stowed in, it came from the same place as well, but this is one of my favorites. I just have it sitting here in this pot right now, but it's called a zebra plant. Super cute. Okay, here goes my other fiddle leaf. This used to actually be a tree that I used to stow in our bedroom in Texas. Well, it wasn't doing so great, so what I did, I am propagating it. And here goes, I cut it down. It's been about a week or so, and now as you see, I have one baby root that is starting to grow. I thought it was gonna come out at the bottom, but as you see, it's coming out on the side. So I'm hoping that I'm able to get some roots on here. It's still living, has not died yet. It's still pretty green. I'm excited about it. So I just have it stuck up here in some water so I can get plenty of indirect sunlight. I just placed it in this. All right, so it's doing good. I'm just gonna leave it be and hopefully it get, and that's that. So okay, here goes this rubber plant. I really like it so much. It's super cute, but I just don't have a permanent home for it, so it's just sitting here by this mirror as you walk in into the bedroom and all that. So that's how it looks. It looks a little strange there. I had it on this side, but then I thought it was too much, so I put it on that side. Listen, it's just gonna keep moving around until it finds a permanent home, since we have added so many plants. Okay, here goes the other plants here. We got this one from Miami Beach plant store. Super cute. Look at the burgundy, and it has like you took a marker, like a chalk marker or so, and wrote on them, but that's how they're made. And then this is another one. Listen, I don't know any of the names of these. I think this is a monstera without the hose, but it'll supposedly eventually grow. But this plant and this plant came from the same place. I do know that. And then these two are fairly new. Came from the plant nursery not too long ago, along with the zebra plant. So this and the zebra plants all came at the same time. Yeah, this is what I was organizing in the video, all of his camera equipment. So you know, it just has like knick-knack stuff that belongs to Dronell over here. I did add this drawer that has more camera stuff. I'm gonna probably add another one or two of these on this shelf since it fits so well. It came from Container Store. Yeah, I believe the Container Store. So yeah, but all like these little boxes that goes to phones and all of that, I'll put it in there. That's our drill, that's his camera bag. So this is pretty much his little area, so you can't really see it when it's like tucked away. Okay, and here, the Birds of Paradise was actually supposed to go out on the balcony, but it wasn't doing so well, so we put it here. I keep changing this pot out so many times, but I think I'm liking this setup. I have another table. Literally just got these tables probably like day for yesterday. Another one, it costs 20 bucks. They're marble, so they can hold the weight of this. This is pretty heavy. Yeah, so Birds of Paradise. This is another type of Birds of Paradise as well. I switched this pot out. Actually, we started out putting this on the balcony. We had snake plants in it, but I switched it out and put it in here. And this base does not go to that. I switched the base and put it here. Yeah, here's another little cute snake plant back here. This little pot came from Ross for 10 bucks. This is actually a candlestick, but I have a pot. Oh, this thing is growing so much. but the candlestick does so well with it right now, so I'm just gonna leave it. It's like tucked away and it's perfect. So anyways, there goes these little plants here, because at first we had the fiddle leaf fig here, and then, you know, now that's cut down and propagating. These are the plants that we have at the sliding door. I did add a fish. Oh, and I do have aloe vera. I added a fish. Just purchased this fish. I have this light on because we have aquatic plants in there and it needs sunlight every day, or some type of light. So I just turned this little ring light on so it can get some light. But yeah, there is my little beta. Hello. For now, it's tucked away out the... Really quickly, I'm not gonna go into much details, but this is new. All of these are actually pretty new over here. Birds of Paradise. Came from the vendor that I got the original Birds of Paradise from. Ooh, I don't know what this is. Alocasia or something. And then I finally got a palm tree. It's super cute. I just got this pot yesterday, so I need to figure out how I'm going to stow the dirt and all that, because I'm gonna leave it in here since it's still so new to make sure it's good. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is. And here goes a project plant. Look, it's work in progress, snake plant and all of that. Yeah, I forgot to show some of these are from that plant that's growing super long, and we're trying to propagate and get some roots. So it just sits here, and then it's another one back here that we're also trying to get more roots. So yes, we are plant parents. We are doing too much in here with all these plants, but I think we're done with all the plants. Super cute though. Okay, you may hear the dryer in the background. Sorry, people are washing. But anywho, I hope you enjoy this little video of this quick clean with me and the little plant tour. It definitely, as I may switch things around and, you know, do all of that, but a really quick cute hack is going to the Dollar Tree and adding little rocks on the top to make it super cute, so fancy, for $1. Oh yeah, I got this little orchid as well. I don't know how it's gonna do. I just have it sitting up here since it's so little and it needs a little bit indirect sunlight, so I thought that was a good place. But good stuff, good stuff. Bye for now.